In this module, we'll talk about how you can manage applications using Adya. So what are the use cases we are focused on? It is very easy for users in your organization to install third-party applications using their company ID and grant those applications permissions to access their files, calendars, mails, etc. And IT is blind to all of this happening. They want visibility into what's being installed in the domain and who's been installing it and how risky are these applications. That's what we will be able to show you with Adya. And once you have that visibility, once IT has that visibility, they want to see who's installed what applications, how risky it is, and then remove it from users as necessary. Let's jump to a demo. As always, the starting section for this is the dashboard, the home screen of Adya. The middle pie chart here shows you all of the apps that are installed in your domain, in this case 64 installed apps. We use our own heuristics to determine if an application is risky, has medium risk or low risk. So we have 26 risky applications. So our heuristics depend on the scope or the permissions that an application has asked for to determine the riskiness of the application. To know more details about the applications, click this widget, which takes you to a list of all of the applications that have been installed, sorted by their level of risk. If we deem them to be high risk, it's bordered by red, medium risk is yellow, and low risk is blue. So again, this is the overview of all of the applications within the domain that have been installed. You can then click on the application and get more details, including the scopes, which means what permissions have been granted to that application and all of the users in the domain who have installed it. And you can take action to remove the app from any user. And that is immediately done and reflected. Next, we'll talk about reports.